Hey guys, in this video, I will demonstrate how to swap out the fan on the Traxxas EZ Peak Charger. Let's get started. For this, you will need a spare 30 by 30 by 7mm 12-volt fan, a Phillips head screwdriver, a soldering iron, and some solder to swap out the fan in the charger. Also, don't forget to unplug the charger. First, remove the 4 screws on the bottom of the charger. Then, you can remove the cover and pull out the fan. The fan is not secured with any additional screws, so it should pull right out. Here's the new fan compared to the old fan. By the way, the link to the fan is in the description down below. As you can see, the circuit board is covered in some sort of insulation paste, so it's probably a better option to just solder on the fan at the wires instead of messing with the circuit board. And if you want to use heat shrink, don't forget to slide it over the wires before soldering. Now you can pre-tin the wires. Since I like to make the fan easier to replace in the future, I will be soldering it to a JST connector, but it is not required. Now it's all covered up, so let's put it back together. Alright, let's see a before and after comparison. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to give it a like, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one, and have a good day.